Hello class 2, how are you? I think children you all are fine by the grace of God. Stay home and be safe. Children, this is your English literature class. Class 2, this is your English literature class and we follow this book. This is New Mulberry, isn't it? Here we have completed chapters up to chapter 4 and today we will start with a new chapter. So open your book at page number 61. This is page number 61 of your book and the name of the chapter is Little Red Hen. Okay, are you all ready? Take out your book, English literature book, and open your book at page number 61. Okay, and we will start with a new chapter today. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Little Red Hen. So, I hope that all of you know and all of you must have seen a hen. This is the picture of a hen, isn't it? This is the picture of a hen. What is the opposite gender of a hen? What is the opposite gender? Cock, isn't it? But in this chapter we will learn a story. We will read a story about a hen and the color of the hen is red. Okay, so we will read the story and the name of the story is Little Red Hen. The color of the hen was red and it was a little hen. Okay, now see, before we start the chapter, you can see a picture here. See, this is a boy like you all. Okay, now he is saying something about himself. Now, just try to make out what this boy wants to say. Looking at the pictures given, this boy is trying to tell you something. Now the first picture, in the first picture, what can you see? It's a sun, isn't it? The sun is rising, isn't it? That means that it is morning or evening. It is morning, isn't it? So the sun rises in the morning. In which direction? In the east. Now fill in the word wave to show how you help around the house. Now, do you all help your parents in a house? Do you? Yes, you have to help your parents at home, isn't it? Then how you will help them? See, first one, the boy is saying, read the sentence given below the picture sun and cloud. See, in the morning, what you do in the morning? I get up from my bed, isn't it? In the morning. Then what you do? Then see, now these are the things that I do to help around the house. Now in the morning, what he does? At first he wakes up, isn't it? He get up from his bed. Then see this is the picture of a bag. So this sentence will tell you something. When I return home, what you do to help your parents? You throw the bag on the sofa or on the bed, or else what you do? In order to help your parents, you keep the bag in the right place, isn't it? When I return home from school, what you write? Keep my bag in the right place, isn't it? Then see, you can see the picture of evening. This is a park, isn't it? I suppose, see properly, this is the picture of a park. So in the evening, what you do? I go to the park to play, isn't it? Then see, here you can see the picture of moon and star. So what can you make out? Relate the sentence with the picture. Before I go to bed, before you go to bed, what you do? Tell me what you do. Before I go to bed, I pray to God. Isn't it? So you should, all of us must pray to God before we go to bed. Okay. Now this is what the child is saying. Okay. Okay. Then and the answer may vary also, isn't it? So you can say that before I go to bed, I make my bed. This way you can help your parents. Instead of depending on your mother to make your bed, what can you do? You can write here that before I go to bed, I make my bed and I pray to God. Isn't it? This way you can write. Clear? Now let us read a play about little red hen who worked hard, her chicks who helped her, and some lazy animals who did not help. Now children, this is not a story, this is a play. What do you mean by play? Play means drama. It is a drama, isn't it? Many of you have taken participation in play or in dance drama or any kind of drama in your annual function, isn't it? In the same way, where we find number of characters, in the same way you will find number of characters in this play, and the dialogue they throw, that also you will get here. This is not a story. Okay, this is a play, means a drama where you will find a number of characters and the dialogues and their dialogues, and you will get them in the direct speech when they will speak. Okay, so let us read a play about and this play is about a little red hen who worked hard. Means the hen was very active. It was very active, and she had her chicks. Chicks means young ones of hen, isn't it? So her chicks who helped her. So she had some chicks. Those chicks helped her, but there were some lazy animals also in the drama, in the play, okay, who did not help her. So in the next class we will discuss in detail about the play. Okay, and by this time children, you do one thing, you go through the play. Okay, all of you give a loud reading. Okay, then it will be easier for you to understand when I will explain the play to you. Thank you.